In a cozy kitchen, Claire reached for the milk jug, finding it nearly empty. With a sigh, she poured the last few drops into her cereal and put the jug back in the fridge, hoping someone might use it later. Later, her roommate Jake opened the fridge, saw the jug, and groaned. "Who puts a mostly empty milk jug back?" he exclaimed. Claire laughed and said, "I thought you might want to use it." When they cooked dinner together, Jake suggested using the milk for a creamy pasta sauce. They both glanced at the jug, pondering if there was enough. With a grin, they decided to pour it in, transforming the remnants into something delicious. As they sat down to eat, they clinked their glasses, grateful for the unexpected turn an almost empty jug had taken, turning a simple meal into a moment of joy.